When my husband and I were in an automobile accident and he was killed, I was recommended to go to Herrling Clark by a friend. After the accident, the death was in the paper, I had lawyers calling me. I got letters, it's almost like they just want a piece of the pie. They want to see what they can get. I thought, this is something that you should be able to just handle on your own. You don't want to get a lawyer. They always talk about people getting lawyers and suing everyone unnecessarily. So you always think that you should be able to just work it out. But it's just not that easy. There's lots of things that working with another insurance company, they know that you don't know about, and so they will try to just get you to settle without knowing all of your rights. The first time I met with Kevin, he really took a lot of the weight off of my shoulders. I was 28, pregnant, dealing with my own injuries, dealing with the death of my husband, and then dealing with, delivering in a few months. To have to deal with, bill collectors from the hospital bills and things like that, it was just something that I couldn't handle. It was more than I could handle. So for them to come in and say, don't talk to these people, we will take care of that, refer everyone to us, it was huge. It let me focus on the things that I really needed to focus on, getting through, trying to work through, without having to deal with more things. When I see other law firms advertising, it strikes me as they're always talking about the big settlements, who settles the most multi-million-dollar cases, how much they got. At Herrling Clark, the settlements are not disclosed. And in my case, it was actually, I requested that it be closed altogether to everyone's knowledge. So it's not about what the settlement was. It's about, what you're entitled to and going through the process and getting through that. So you always hear the old, lawyers are kind of cold, they really don't care about you, they're just out for the settlement. I really felt like they cared about me. Kevin and his whole staff made me feel like they truly cared about me and what I was going through. I just had a baby and, Kevin's secretary made her a blanket. They were just really personal. They wanted to just take care of everything, wanted to take it off my hands so I didn't need to deal with it anymore, that everything would be referred to them and they would take care of it. Make the process as simple as possible for me.